What's up guys, Keysy back with another video, and today it's iPhone day. The new iPhone 15 released and we have the iPhone 15 Pro right here. I just picked it up like a couple hours ago. It's gonna just do a first impressions, just unbox it here. Have the overhead camera, the monitor on the side. So like I said, the Pro, so this is the smaller version. Grip that right there, and then the bottom one as well, right there. Let's see. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh god, wow. Okay, that color is definitely nice. That is really beautiful. You know, we're gonna talk about, so let's set, this is the iPhone, obviously. We're gonna set this to the side for right now. They finally upgraded the charging to USB-C. Obviously they were forced to by the EU, and so now they definitely did have to do this, and they definitely came with braided cable. They probably realized that all the other competitors Anchor were beating them with making better chargers, so now they definitely did a braided version. And you know, my first impressions, it's nice. I like it. I like that it's USB-C to USB-C. I wish this came a lot earlier and a lot sooner, you know, a lot earlier in the phones, but they finally did it because they were kind of forced to. And if they probably weren't have been forced to, who knows if they would have ever got rid of that Lightning to USB-C, but now it's USB-C to USB-C. And that's really cool because, you know, you can essentially charge an iPhone with an iPhone, or the iPhone to a AirPod or whatever, you know, but it's not gonna be like the fastest charger. That'll obviously be something that you do in a pinch, but yeah, it's really cool to have for sure. Designed by Apple in California, and one Apple sticker we have right there. Nothing crazy, nothing fancy, you know. They probably should have matched the color of the iPhone, but that is okay. We're just gonna put that to the side. We're not even gonna try to put it back. We're gonna get rid of this. Right there. But first impressions, I am loving this new titanium color. This thing is, wow, this thing is nice. It's like, it kind of reminds me of the Power Rangers Lightspeed Rescue, the silver Power Ranger. If you guys have ever seen that, you guys would definitely know what I'm talking about. This color is, wow, really nice. And okay, they have right here, let's see, let's get this wrapping off right there. Ooh. You know, obviously this is my first time opening it. Let's go ahead and power it on. It's first impressions. It better be charged too, I'm gonna be mad. All right, there we go, we got it on. But wow, look at that. That's actually really nice. I'm gonna have B-roll over this while I'm talking, but wow. You guys, I don't know if it'll do it justice in camera, but it is definitely, I'm really impressed. Titanium finish on the sides here. So that definitely adds more fingerprints to it. But the back is not as, so I have the 14 Pro Max here. And if you can see, I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but with the finish, there's less fingerprints on the phone. But this one, there's gonna be a lot of fingerprints as a fingerprint magnet. Just do that to the side. But with this one, you know, not on the back, but made on the sides, yes, for sure. And so let's open this English. We're setting it up for the first time. What is this? Apparent on the zoom on it. All right, default. All right, there we go. We finally got the, not now. We got the iPhone set up. Ooh, this thing, it's kind of nice. I'm not even gonna lie. I could definitely feel that the edges are way more round. I know that sounds crazy, but I think that was one of the things that they talked about, that it's not as sharp, and you could definitely tell that it is more round on the edges. Everything. I really like this iPhone. The color is beautiful. Like I said, it's my first impressions. I'll just unbox it with you guys. I would say the only two big differences, upgrades to this new iPhone, is gonna be this button right here. It is no longer the sliding silence button, but glider, whatever you want to call it. It is now a button that you can customize to do whatever you want, you know, take pictures, bring other apps up, or just put it into silent mode. But yeah, it is really beautiful, and it fits really well in the hand. I was actually going to get the 14 Pro and not the 14 Pro Max, but just because I really love the way this feels in hand. But you know, I wanted to go with the bigger phone, obviously. But maybe just by having this in hand in person and just just how comfortable it is. Might be considering when I upgrade my phone. Obviously, I'm not gonna do it now, but I maybe just get the Pro, not the Pro Max, because the size is really nice. I feel like it would be really convenient, just so with that iPhone 14 Pro Max, that long name, that thing with a case is so bulky and so big. Every time I pull it out of my pockets, it literally pulls my pocket out. So that's kind of annoying. So yeah, this is really nice, really light. Not light, but you know, nothing that big of a difference. You know, now it has this thing in portrait mode where you're going to be able to, after you take the photo, you're going to be able to mess with the bokeh, with the f-stop. Multiple items, you could click a different subject and it'll focus on that and just blur everything out. And I'm going to do a separate video comparing this camera to like a Pro camera or whatever, you know, do a couple tests on this, make a video out of that. I think that'll be really cool to see. And yeah, for sure, this thing is really nice. Yeah, this was my first impressions. Yeah, that's, you know, nothing too crazy. Like I said, the upgrades weren't that insane this year. Maybe I should have got a 15 and then a 15 Pro Max, or 15 and a 15 Pro, but yeah, this is my first time ever opening up a 15 Pro. You know, the 6.1, I think, and then that one's 6.7 on the size. So, but yeah, this is really, really cool. And I am honestly impressed. I thought I was going to be like, you know, it's going to be like whatever, but I'm honestly impressed with the color and the way it looks. So yeah, the way it came out, it's really nice. So if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notification, turn on the bell, post notifications to be notified when I post a new video, because I will also have the 15 Pro Max. Let's see if what's gonna be the difference. There's gonna be no difference actually, but yeah, we're gonna keep making videos of the iPhone because it is iPhone day, and we're gonna see how the cameras hold up, video and photo. See you in the next one. Peace.